Hello, today we will guide you through how to set stop loss and take profit in MT5 Mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and practical so you can follow along easily on your phone. The goal is to show you where to enter your stop loss, often called SL, and your take profit, or TP, before placing a trade in the MT5 Mobile app. These two settings are important because they help you manage risk and define your target ahead of time. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Once the app loads, you'll be ready to access the market list and choose the instrument you want to trade. Make sure you're on the main screen and that everything has loaded properly before moving on. Next, tap on Quotes at the bottom left of the screen. This section shows the available trading symbols such as currency pairs, indices, commodities, or other instruments available in your account. If you're new to MT5, this is the area where you typically browse the markets before placing an order. From the quotes list, tap on any symbol you want to trade. This opens the options for that instrument and prepares you to create an order. Take a moment here to confirm that you selected the correct symbol, since your stop loss and take profit will apply specifically to this trade. After that, tap on New Order. This takes you to the order entry screen, where you can set up the details of your trade. On this screen, you'll usually see fields for volume, stop loss, and take profit, along with the buy and sell buttons at the bottom. Now enter your stop loss and your take profit values. Your stop loss is the price level where the trade should close automatically if the market moves against you. Your take profit is the level where the trade should close automatically once your target is reached. Be careful when typing these values, because even a small mistake in the price can change the outcome of the trade. It's always a good idea to quickly review both entries before continuing. Once everything looks correct, tap either buy or sell at the bottom, depending on the direction of the trade you want to place. After you do that, the order will be submitted with your stop loss and take profit already attached. And that's it. You've successfully set a stop loss and take profit in MT5 Mobile while placing a new order. Always double check your trade details before confirming, especially the symbol, order direction, and your SL and TP levels.